husband's salad, I always complain that he takes too long a time, too much of this, too little of that. But I secretly like that salad very much, so much so that I decided to share it with you. Very soft, fine summer cabbage. I am lucky to have it. So I shred it as fine as I can, which is not hard because it's so fine. And then I just dip it in a bowl. That will be a base of our salad. So I also squeeze it a little bit to make it even softer. I love these particular peppers. These are the only ones I actually like to eat raw. So one of those peppers and a large tomato. And I like mix salads as I go. Very mild, sweet summer onion here. These are tiny pickled peppers. They are ever so slightly hot, sweety sour, so they give a lovely kick. If you don't have them, just add maybe pickled gherkins or a bit more lemon or a bit balsamic to your dressing. Some black olives, as black as you can get, without stones preferably. I better chop them. Some toasted pumpkin seeds, always toast them, they are much nicer this way. I always do it when I buy them, the whole lot in one go. And half of a large avocado, perfectly ripe, this one. Some salt and some fresh lemon juice, so the avocado will keep its color. I actually won't bother with salt in salads quite often. And plenty of my favorite ingredient, the pumpkin seed oil for the dressing.